it's how to remove background noise, and this may be a problem because you guys may have a fan or something, and I have a loud computer fan. You might hear it. I'm sorry for that, but I have to use it as an example. So let's go ahead and like record it. So just press the record button. Hello, this is Flamus. Yeah, so stop it, I guess. And if you go through it, hello, you can kind of hear it, and my computer mic has got louder. So I'll put my mic where it was again, and yeah. So let's get back into it. So you basically want to like highlight it. If we amplify, I can show the effect more. So amplify, put it there, and wow, but wow, you can really hear that. But so you basically want to like highlight it and go to effect, noise reduction, and get noise profile. So once you've got noise profile, go to Control A, effect, noise reduction, and press OK. So it will reduct the noise. So if we go to amplify again and just put it way back, or a bit higher, maybe to there. So you can barely hear it. So that's basically how you remove background noise. It's really easy, and it really makes a difference to your videos. And yeah, sorry I had to play that. Yeah, it really makes a difference, and it really makes a difference. And when you're doing commentaries and you're using Audacity, I recommend you do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. That is overused, and I said that in a couple of videos ago, but see you guys later.
I don't wanna see your panties now, I just wanna dome. Driving down Santa Monica with an Asian team. Wonder what this fame will bring. Gucci belts and diamond rings. I hope this shit don't change me. My best friend started